Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to fix Wix forms not working. So if you want to fix this problem, you'll have to first of all open your Wix editor and go to the page with the form. Now click on the form to open the form settings and click on form settings. Now you'll have to make sure that the form is correctly set up. For example, it should be connected to the right email, database or third-party service. Double check the form fields, validation rules, that is required fields, email format and any error messages that might be set. Now, try submitting the form yourself to test whether the issue is specific to a certain user or the broader platform. What you can do is click on the preview icon and navigate to the preview page and submit a form yourself and see if it works or not. Now ensure that the confirmation message of success page appears after submitting the form and check that the inbox of the email connected to the form to see if you are receiving submissions. Now, go to the form settings and ensure that the email associated with it is entered correctly. Also, check that your email is spam or junk folder to ensure that your submissions aren't being filtered out. Now, if your form is connected to a Wix database or third-party app, verify that these integrations are working correctly, ensure that the form is properly linked to the database collection, and that all required fields are mapped correctly. If you're using a third-party tool like Google Sheets or Zapier, check the connection and ensure that no API limits or errors are affecting the form. Now, open your browser's developer tools by pressing F12 on your keyboard and click on Open DevTools. Now, go to the console tab to check for any JavaScript errors that are being reported. Errors can prevent the form from submitting properly. If you find errors, they may relate to custom code, so add custom code added to the form. Remove or correct the code or contact Wix support for help. Now, you can test this in mobile view to see if the form is working on mobile correctly or not. You can re-add the form. If the form is still not working, simply try deleting the existing form and adding a new one and reconfigure the form settings and try submitting it again to see if the issue persists. Now, you can disable apps or third-party codes or clear cache and cookies in your browser. If none of the above solutions work, it may be time to contact Wix support for assistance. So provide them with detail about the issue, the form settings and any error messages you have encountered. And by following these steps, you should be able to identify and fix the issue causing your Wix form to malfunction. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.